For this problem, we're graphing an exponential function. F of x equals 2 to the power of x plus 4. The best way to do this is to create a table of values if you're not quite sure what it's going to look like. So we choose some values of x and we figure out what y is going to be, or f of that function, I guess, y equals f of x in this column here. Let's just plug in some points, -1, 0, 1, 2. We'll start with 0. So f of 0 to the power of 0 plus 4. Use a calculator to figure out that. If you like, but 2 to the power of 0 is actually 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So if x is 0, y equals 5, that's going to be a point. F of 1. Power of 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. We'll do f of 2 to the second plus 4. So 2 to the second power is 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 4 is 8. It's going to be 8. And then the last one, f of -1, which will be a little bit odd. That's 2 to the power of -1 plus 4. Again, calculator will help you. 2 to the negative first is going to be half, 4, or 4.5. So I'm going to erase all of this work. Save my table of values. So then we want to graph these points. Exponential functions going to curve up like this if it's growth or decay. This one happens to be growth because the numbers are getting bigger, and we just plot a couple values. So 0, 5, let's plot that one to begin with. Oh, I see. So it's making us do this a little different. So in this case, our base is 2. When we go in here and on this function, we have to type in 2, change it, and then what we're going to do, the plus 4 is actually going to be a vertical shift up 4, like so. So all of these points will show up on the graph, but it's not quite graphing the way that I thought. So -1, 4.5, 0, 5, 1, 6, and 2, 8 are all on this graph. You have to just choose the correct curve. And again, when we look at this function, the base is 2. So f of x equals 2 to the power of x. That's your base. And then the plus 4 means the entire graph shifts up 4. So what it would normally look like is something like so. Then we just shift up 4 units because of this plus 4. So that's up 4. And you'll see that with these changes that you can make: horizontal shrink, stretch, vertical stretch, shrink, and vertical shift. Vertical shift is your up 4. Hover over there and you can kind of see that it's plus 4. Okay. Left it there. All right. Save. Check answer. And it works. Hopefully this helps. Email me back if it doesn't. Okay, and then the last one is you choose your parent function, which is y equals 2 to the power of x. Then you just shift it up 4 units.